these gates, they always give me hope when I no get. Look at how I'm looking like Omundeocha. Hey people, what's popping? Kilo Shele, again a name, eh? Let's go there. Okay, wonderful people, beautiful people. It is your favorite Achalugo and her Asanwa Onitsha sister, Chidera Giselle and Monty's Morinvera baby on the microphone. If you are new to my channel, I am Chidera Giselle, a Nigerian lifestyle vlogger living in Owerri, Imo State. Welcome to my channel. Me and my Onitsha sister, we're on our way to Onitsha. Yeah, we're going to do some important stuff in Onitsha. So you guys, we're off to Onitsha now. So just stay tuned, stay glued and enjoy. So you guys, this is ITC Park Owerri. Like, this park is so huge. Anyways, at this point we got to the park and Chidera Giselle baby decided to pose for her thumbnail, because you know how difficult it can be if you don't intentionally pose for your thumbnail. Yeah, so after that my sister decided to withdraw at the POS. God, you guys, these POS people are lifesavers. Like, I can't even imagine going to the ATM every time. We got our ticket at this point and we're supposed to follow this bus to Onitsha. Like, it had just a space remaining and they wanted my sister and I to share the remaining space, but we still pay the same amount of money. But the lady that already chose this side of the seat refused to sit at the front, so we just had to go into a new bus. And oh my god, we regretted going to ITC that day. So you guys, we got a good seat. We're about getting the worst seats ever, but anyhow, we're here, thank God. We're the first to choose seats in this bus. We wanted to go through, we wanted to go with Sienna, but there's no Sienna going to Onitsha today, so we have to go with bus. This is past 1 a bit Totu, yeah, Totu today. I hope we can get to Onitsha before 3 o'clock. That's if the bus gets full on time. Anyways, I'll keep you guys updated. So you guys, while sitting in the bus, a lot of vendors trying to market their goods past where we were sitting. But you guys, you're not going to believe that we stayed at the park for over an hour. Like, Uche and I sat in the bus for like over 30 minutes before another passenger for Onitsha came. We were just regretting why we went to ITC. We were like, we would have just gone to another park, JJ. At the end of the day, our bus had about 5 or 6 passengers. It didn't get full because it was already getting late, and the road to Onitsha now, oh my god, if you have gone to Onitsha from Owerri recently, like, you are going to understand what I'm saying. The roads are so bad, so the journey took approximately 4 hours, but we're going to get to that in the later parts of the video. So earlier in April, when I visited Onitsha from Owerri, it took us just 1 hour to get to ITC Park in Onitsha. But on this day, I actually said 4 hours earlier, but it was actually like 3 hours 30 minutes or so. It took us like 3 hours 30 minutes because we had to follow inside villages in Imo and Anambra, because they said one of the major roads, the highway that leads to Onitsha from Owerri, that there's a part of the road that divided into 2, and the place where the bus stopped us in Onitsha was so inconvenient. It was like almost immediately after Oba, so we had to use our leg to get to a point before we entered Keke and all of that.
What is this solo? Aye! It's very small now.
You guys, we just got to Onitsha. Like, we not just get to Onitsha, we just got to where my cousin brother is waiting for us. I think we're going to see her now. You guys have been through a lot, but anytime you get to the end of your journey, you always forget about everything that happens. The main thing is that we got here safely and we thank God. So from tomorrow we'll do what we came to Onitsha to do. So guys, at this point we got to my brother's area and there's this woman that roasts corn there. Oh my god, like I ate this corn last year when I came to Onitsha, and I've been looking forward to visiting Onitsha again because of this corn. But I think the memory of the one I ate last year was not as strong as the memory of the one I ate this year, because even now that I'm making this voiceover, I feel like jumping into this screen to grab this corn. God, the corn in Onitsha is fresh. It is fresh or fresh. The one in Owerri, I can't even say anything about it. Like I felt like insulting all the people I bought corn from in Owerri when I ate this corn in Onitsha. You guys, I've gotten to my big brother's house. Yeah, we're at his place now, and I'm going to be seeing you guys tomorrow. You want to go? Yeah. So you guys, good morning. This is like past 8 in the morning, and we're on our way to meet Auntie Sylvia. We're going to hook her up. Then from there, we'll be going to main market with her. I just decided to give you guys a quick update because I'm in a hurry, and I'll see you guys later. So at this point we got to main market and we started shopping. Yeah, we came to shop for December. This December is gonna be a dirty December. Yeah. So this is a fabric store. They had a whole lot of beautiful fabrics in this store. You can see how this particular fabric fits Aunt Sylvia's skin perfectly. And we got to this nightwear place. Oh my god, you guys, I'm a nightwear addict. The only thing that makes me not to buy too much is that I'm like, you're not supposed to spend so much on what you wear to sleep. But I love nightwear, whether okrika, whether new one. Nightwears are my thing. And this shop, they sell new nightwear. They sell it in bulk, any quantity you want. So we got the nightwear we needed from this shop.
Exactly, Auntie Sylvia.
So you guys, I managed to hide my phone to get a little clip of how main market looks towards evening because I was scared of embarrassment, just like Auntie Sylvia told us on her channel. Yeah, so we went to Auntie Sylvia's abacha plug. This woman makes abacha, like lovely, wonderful abacha, and I wonder how this woman holds this red pepper with her bare hands and cuts it with her full chest, and the thing know they pepper am. I can't, like, they no bomb me well to try am. My body go hear am if I ever try am. Like, she cuts it boldly. I even asked her, and she said she's already used to it, that she just washes her hand in the evening when she gets home. So at this point she was making abacha for about 5 to 6 people, so she had to make it in the bucket. And when there was still kanda, fish and liver, but the fish was remaining one, so I took liver because I don't really like kanda, and Sylvia took fish, and we got kanda for Uche because Uche does not like liver. So this woman was turning this abacha with a lot of energy. So you guys, she dished out our abacha and we went to the shop where Uche was getting some materials, and we ate at the shop, and after eating at the shop we headed home. We're done with the market. My baby, say hi. How you doing? Fine. You push your ginger for me now. The way you use the ginger on mommy's channel. I'm super tired. You guys are done with the market. Oh my god, I'm so exhausted. Like, we really saw a lot today. You guys should help me. I'm thanking Aunt Sylvia. She's a darling, the real MVP, the best in the whole wide world.
Hey, God.
Oh god. And I think we still have to come and shop for more things tomorrow. Anyways, I want to close this vlog here. I'll just start another vlog tomorrow, see, because the vlog is already long. Thank you also so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, to give it a huge thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, share this video. Let's move this ministry to the permanent site, Iwotago, and hopefully I'm going to be seeing you in the next one. For now, bye, kiss. Love ya.
Love ya.
Oh my god.